Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Johnson.
Today, we're going to talk about bad habits. Can anyone tell me what a bad habit is?
A bad habit is something we do that is not good for us or our health, like eating too many sweets.
Exactly, Jack. Eating too many sweets can lead to cavities and feeling tired. What other bad habits can you think of?
What about not exercising enough?
Great point. Not exercising can make us feel weak and tired. It's important to move our bodies.
I heard some kids bite their nails. Is that a bad habit?
Yes. Nail biting can hurt our fingers and spread germs. That's definitely a habit we should avoid.
Sometimes I watch too much TV. Is that a bad habit too?
Yes. Watching too much TV can take away time for homework, reading, or playing outside. It can also make our eyes tired.
What if someone forgets to brush their teeth every day? Is that a bad habit?
Absolutely. Not brushing our teeth can lead to cavities and bad breath. That's definitely a bad habit.
How can we change these bad habits?
Great question. The first step is to notice our habits. Can anyone share a bad habit they want to change?
I want to stop playing video games all night.
That's a very good goal. What could you do to make sure you stop playing on time?
Maybe I can set a timer to remind me when to stop.
Perfect. Setting a timer can help you manage your gaming time. What about you, Sophia? Do you have a habit you want to change?
I want to stop being late to school every day.
That's a smart decision. How can you fix that problem?
I can wake up earlier in the morning.
Great idea. Waking up earlier can help you get to school on time and feel less rushed. Emily, do you have a habit you'd like to change?
I sometimes forget to clean my room, and it gets messy.
Cleaning your room is very important. How can you remember to do it more often?
I could make a checklist of things to do each day.
Excellent. A checklist can help you stay organized and make sure nothing gets forgotten. Remember, changing habits takes time and effort.
How long does it usually take to change a bad habit?
It can take a few weeks or even months, depending on the habit. But with patience and practice, you can do it.
What if we start to feel like giving up on our goals?
It's normal to feel that way sometimes. If you feel discouraged, talk to a friend or family member for support. They can help you stay motivated.
Can we help each other with our habits?
Yes, working together is a fantastic idea. You can remind each other to stick to good habits and cheer each other on.
What are some good habits we should have?
Good question. Good habits include exercising regularly, reading books, and eating healthy foods. Can you think of more good habits?
How about brushing our teeth every day and drinking plenty of water?
Yes. Drinking water is very important. It keeps us hydrated and helps us think clearly.
I like this. If we all try hard, we can be a good team.
Exactly. Together, we can support each other in making good choices and improving our lives. Goodbye, class. Remember to think about the habits we talked about and try to make good choices every day.